To get an accurate pant outseam measurement, ask the gentleman to remove his shoes and look straight ahead during the measurement process. Start the tape measure level with the waistband centered at the back of his pants. Hold the tape firmly in place with one hand and stretch it all the way to the floor with the other. The outseam measures 41 inches. You have the option to order a preferred pant break or length. To do so, you'll need to adjust the outseam measurement accordingly. For example, to order your pants with a full break, simply enter the outseam measurement as is. For a half break, subtract 1 inch from the outseam measurement. For a quarter break, subtract 1.5 inches from the outseam measurement. And to achieve no break on the pants, where the socks show slightly, subtract 2 inches off of the outseam measurement.